If the fabric is cotton or thin fabric, crepe, cotton, georgette, or any mix, rayon, linen, you can fold just half inch, 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch. But if the fabric is thick, like wool or maybe silk, delicate fabric, so in those kind of fabrics, you must have at least 3 to 4 inch wide fold for the bottom and at least 2 inch from the sides for the side slits. You know why? Because when the fabric is thick, the double folded fabric looks odd, right? So now we start stitching from the bottom, and here this is the fork of the our side slit, and here the needle will be inside. You will turn the crescent foot and then you will stitch around it. Make sure that the folds, the bottom folds, the corners, in fact, they should be inserted inside well, and then you make a top stitch. This is the other side of the side slit. Here also just pay attention. So here the needle will be inside. You have to just turn the crescent foot and then your stitch will be done. This is the simple method of beginner's method, and I'm sure you will like it. You will apply it on your type of dresses, and please like the video and subscribe the channel so that you could have more